morning, afternoon, whatever time you're watching, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, sobrang happy lang ako na I'm back again with vlogging and doing hauls. And for today's haul, I will be featuring the one and only ZAFUL. So thank you so much, ZAFUL, for collaborating with me. And of course, before we proceed to the actual video, again, pag may mga nagustuhan kayo dito sa mga items na ipapakita ko, here is my code and check out the description box. For today's video, I will be featuring summer ZAFUL haul, and yes, I'm back at it again with another summer haul. Parang kailan lang nung nag-summer haul ako, and I'm really happy na I'm back at it again with another haul because I've been MIA for the past week dahil nga nagpa-surgery ako, nagpa-bone graft ako. But enough yung mga chika na yan because I will be filming a separate video for like Q&A life update. And yeah, I'm just so excited. So without further ado, let's start this video. I want to segue my small business, and that is Decent's Fragrances. And if you haven't tried it, then please do check it out in the description box. Show some love and show some support sa aking business, and check out nyo na yan dahil malapit na rin naman ang Shopee sale dahil sa 15. Available kami on Shopee for cash on delivery. So yeah, I missed you guys. I missed filming a video for you guys, and yeah, hopefully tuloy-tuloy na makapag-film ako dito sa channel ko dahil I have so much plans. As in, ang dami kong gustong gawin and upload, kaya lang I don't have the time and sometimes wala akong energy to do it. First item is the one that I am wearing. This one is a brown na Bodycon dress. There's not much I could say about it, but as you can see, sobrang nahahug niya perfectly yung body ko, especially yung waist ko na accentuate. I'm really leaning towards the more neutral and black and white. Especially this summer, parang mas naging minimalist ako as compared to last summer. Yun yung napansin ko. More of like the bright colors talaga ako. Sometimes all over the place yung style ko. But yeah, now I'm really loving the colors that I picked for this haul. For our next item is this green dress. Super love ko tong green dress na to. It's not your typical na green dress because it has a rhinestone details on it, and it has cutouts at the front, which makes it more sassy and more trendy in style. I like it. It has this ruched details as well. Same with this brown na dress. And what I love about these kinds of dresses, same with this brown, is that you have the freedom to make it look longer, and you also have the freedom to make it look shorter. So it's a very versatile piece. This one is a beige long dress, and actually you can use this as a formal dress, or you can also use it as a beach dress. Kasi personally, I love wearing dresses during the summer. Actually, hindi lang summer. It also has this fine glitters, fine chunks of glitters all over the dress, and meron siyang pa-slit on the left side of the legs. So it's this kind of design, V-cut, and then straight cut lang yung likod niya. Kaya ako siya kinuha, it's because of its color. I can use it in different occasions. Summer haul wouldn't be complete without a satin dress. And you guys know how obsessed I am. Hindi pa rin talaga nagbabago yung style ko on how feminine my style is. And feminine, classy, chic type of style. Ganun na ganun pa rin ako. Pero nagbabago-bago lang din talaga ako sa color palette lately. But the white slip dress will never go out of style for me. For the longest time that I've been filming, ilang videos ko na yan sinasabi, parang hindi ako nananawa talaga sa slip dress. And you'll never go wrong with a slip dress. I feel like I own 3 or like 4 or I don't know, a lot of slip dresses already. Now, white has and white, so pare-parehas. And then, every time I get it, as in nagbabago-bago lang talaga yung bagsak ng dress niya. What I love about this slip dress is this one, pa-flare siya. So, it really gave me that mermaid ethereal kind of feels. That's why I got this dress. And I love the fabric. It's not your typical silk satin na alam niyo yun, yung plain lang. It has textures on it, as you can see. Very spicy, sultry for this summer look. And of course, our summer haul wouldn't be complete without a black dress. And this one is a little bit different because it has this lace design. Talagang very see-through siya on the sides. I like it, although medyo skeptical ako on how I will be wearing this one. It's because itong front part na yan, ayan, as you can see-through din siya. Make sure na yung nipple tape na susuotin nyo is the same color dun sa skin tone nyo kasi mag-iiba yung bakat niya dito. Last but not the least for our dresses before we proceed sa ating mga bikinis is this black and beige mesh dress. my ruched details din siya. I really love ruching details sa mga dresses lately. I really like the design. Very, very beach vibes yung may patali sa leg na akala mo bikini. So, yeah. Up next naman is my favorite part, which is the bikini. Although, hindi ko na siya matatry on sa inyo guys because I'm planning to do a separate video for this one. Pero since nandito na rin naman tayo sa buong ZAFUL haul natin, might as well ipakita ko na rin naman sa inyo. Kasi syempre, summer na rin naman. And dun sa mga iba na nagpaparecommend sa akin kung ano yung mga magagandang bikinis, I got you girls dahil ito na yung mga bikini. Start off with this white bikini, and this one I got it because of its rope design. It's Bandeau top design, and then meron siyang pads as you can see. Nade-detach din yung pads niya if you want to. It's up to you. Meron siyang kasamang ganitong underwear. So basically, tatali niyo siya. High cut siya na panty. Up next, we have in here, I think this is one of my favorites because meron siyang wire, and you guys know it, medyo nakaka-push up talaga pag may mga wiring yung mga bikinis. And this one is very chic in style. Sobrang sexy and very unique yung design niya na yan. Ayan. High cut din siya, guys. In love ako dito sa design na to. And the color, it's really giving. I really like it. It's like a matcha type of green. Meron na siyang nakakabit na parang mga accessories na ganyan, na parang resin design. And ito yung itsura ng pinaka-underwear niya. Meron din siyang mga designs na ganyan. Super cute, super love, and I really, really recommend this one. High cut din siya, guys. I have here a nude, as in nude beige type of bikini, and this one is a bandeau top lang as well. You have the freedom to tie it at the front. Yung material niya is like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like a rough material na meron siyang different textures on it. For our bottoms naman, ayan siya. It's a high cut as well. Then, meron siyang ribbon design on both sides. I really, really like it. Another one is a beige bikini, but as you can tell, the difference medyo mas on the lighter side. And the reason why I got this is because two-tone siya. I feel like very unique yung mga ganitong designs, and wala akong masyado nakikitang ganito, kaya I got it. And meron na rin siyang kasamang pads, and saktong-sakto lang sa boob ko for like a 32A. Mas maliit pa yata sa 32A yung bust area ko. So I really do recommend this one. The bottoms look like meron din siyang two-tone design na strap dito. Like burnt orange in color. Sobrang in love ako dito sa bikini na to because of its color. And pansin nyo na talaga na nag-lean towards na ako sa neutrals and more of like a minimalist toned down kind of colors. Bottoms nila, ayan, kita nyo naman na very high cut siya. Similar to what I got earlier, it's just that ito leaning towards the maroon na siya. As you can tell the difference, I mean, it's in the category of like brownish pa din for me. And what I love about this is meron siyang mga pearly shells. Pearly shells. I really like it. Like, I got it because of that actually. Kahit na feeling ko pare-pares ng mga triangle bikini yung mga kinukuha ko. Parang nagkakatalo na lang talaga sa design, sa color. Last but not the least is this bandeau top na black bikini. And ito yung feeling ko color ko since last year, since October. Parang feeling ko bumalik na yung black era and the futuristic style. Meron siyang kasamang bottoms na ganito. Ayan. So you'll see more of black na mga content related dito rin sa channel ko. So yeah, that's about it for our haul. Sana nag-enjoy kayo, and to be honest, pinupuno na talaga ni ZAFUL yung cabinet ko. Sobrang thank you so much ZAFUL for collaborating with me on this video. Hope to see you guys on my next one. Please do comment down below your video suggestions, and of course, don't forget to support decent fragrances. So yeah, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also hit that bell button to get you notified every time I post a new video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!